Hi you guys, here we go. This is what I made in the motorhome today. This is garlic, fresh garlic, dried tomatoes, fresh green onion, shrimp, and thin spaghetti noodles, and some Johnny seasoning. And how I prepared this was 2 cloves of garlic I cut up. First of all, I put 1/3 of a cube of butter in the wok, and then I added the 2 cloves of garlic sliced thin. Then I cut up a green onion and added that, let that cook for a while. Then I added the shrimp, let that cook for a while, and then I added the noodles that I had already cooked and prepared. Added the thin spaghetti noodles, cooked that together for a while, stirred it up real good, added a little Johnny seasoning so that it had some good flavor added in there with the garlic and stuff because of the noodles. And there you go. That's dinner. See how yummy? Doesn't that look good? You can see those green onions and dried tomato, the garlic butter, the shrimp. Yum. And that's what we're gonna eat. Tinkerbell thinks she's getting some. I don't know. She might. Please have a great day, because you know you can. Please like and subscribe, and please share on your social media, because it all helps me to grow. And you guys are the best. I love you. You're fantastic. And please, please continue watching my videos, because I really appreciate you, and I'll keep trying to bring you some entertainment. Peace.